Question. F of x is equal to x square upon 1 minus x square. So what we take, f of x is equal to, I'll take y is equal to, I'll get x square by 1 minus x square. Now do cross multiplication, what I get, y minus yx square is equal to, I'll get x square, I'll send that side, y is equal to, I'll get x square plus yx square. Now I can take x square common. Take the x square common, what I get here, y is equal to, I'll get x square common, so 1 plus y I'll get. So x square is equal to what I'll get, y upon 1 plus y. Is it clear now? These steps are clear? What I have done, I did the cross multiplication and I had sent here, I took x square common, so x square you got this one. So x will be what? Under root of this. So x will be what? X is equal to under root of y upon 1 plus y. Means square root condition is what? Square root condition, it should be greater than or equal to 0. It means that what I have to get, y upon 1 plus y greater than or equal to 0. Right, square root inside it is there. So it should be greater than or equal to 0. Now I can take, this is a wavy curve method. Wavy curve method, what you do here, you take the number line. And what is the 0 of this y? 0. What is the 0 of this y? Minus 1. So what I can write here? 0 minus 1. Correct? Now we can take here infinity, here minus infinity, plus minus plus. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubts? So what is the answer here? What is the answer? Plus na, greater than, plus. So what is the answer? Minus infinity to minus 1. Acha, minus 1 should I keep or not? Should I keep open or closed? Open, because if I keep closed, so you will get 0, indeterminate form. Na, undefined hai na? Undefined. So union, where to where I will get? 0. Should I closed or open? Closed. Closed. Numerator mein 0 ho sakta hai. 0 by anything is 0. 0 equal to 0. So 0 closed. To where here? Infinity. So this is the answer. Now tell me, this answer matches with which option? Which option? C option na? C is the right answer. This is JEE 2019 question. Right? Here f of x is equal to the given 2x plus sin x. We have to check what are the things. 1 1, many 1, on 2, into. We have 2x plus sin x. Do the differentiation of the function f dash of x is equal to what? 2x differentiation is 2. What is sin x differentiation? Minus. Plus cos x, na? Minus क्यों बोल रहे? Okay. Cos x. Now what is the here? Domain is what? अरे सुनो first. What is the domain here? Domain is what? R. If I keep all R's in this, what I get cos x range? What I get? Tell me. Fatafat, tell me. 2 plus, what I get? Minus 1 to plus 1. I will not get more than this. So completely range of this function will be what? 2 minus 1, that is plus 1. 2 plus 1, how much? 3. Now tell me, is it a positive or negative or positive negative? Positive negative or positive negative this value? Positive. So very simply we can say f dash of x is greater than 0. It is increasing function, so 1 1 function. That's done. Suppose here something happened like this. Here minus 1 is there. Suppose we think as here minus, here we'll take as minus 2x. Suppose same question. If it is there minus 2x plus sin x it is there. Right? The same question. So f dash of x will become what here? F dash of x will become minus 2 plus cos x. So here I get minus 2 plus minus 1 2 plus 1. If I do here, I got what here? Minus 3 minus 1. Here also negative. If I get completely negative, if I get completely positive, I can say 1 1 function. But if you get negative positive, then I can say it is many 1 function. many one function आना है तो इधर what number should be there? Can I take x? If I take x, 1 I get. So 1 minus 1, 0. There is also you are getting positive, right? No problem at all. So however, f dash of x is greater than 0 or f dash of x greater than or equal to 0 also, it is a increasing function and it is a 1 1 function. So you got the clarity that is 1 1 function. 1 is done. Second, 2x plus sin x. If I keep r in this, if I keep r in this, the 2 into this is real, and plus if I keep r in this, minus 1 2 plus 1 is there, and here I'll get, what is this? I'll get minus infinity to plus infinity I'll get. So if I add, subtract, whatever do, result will I get r or not? अरे ये तो माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 infinity to minus infinity means infinity only it is. So infinity to minus 1 if you add, plus 1 if you add, subtract, it will be infinity minus infinity only. So finally what you got, it is a range is equal to codomain I got. Range R I got, codomain also R you have, range is equal to codomain, which function it is? Onto function. So this function is what? 1 1 and onto. So option में ये भी हो सकता है sir. ये may they can give 1 1, okay. They may, see here I gave the options last time but they are not written, okay. B I can take onto, okay, and then I can write as 1 1 and onto. इसको बोलते हैं bijective. I will explain now. Bijective function. Bijective like surjective, injective combined is bijective. Okay, then D is what here? Into. They may ask like this. See, options will be like that. 1 1. And they can ask like that. 1 1 also correct, na? They can say not a 1 1. Okay, not a, otherwise they will say on 1 1 1 1 not 1 1 either. You can use either like na, neither. This is neither 1 1 nor 1 onto, nor onto. They can use like that. Anything options they can use, right? So anything, it depends on the options, you have to check it. Finally you have understood it is not into function, so I can use into. It is not into function, it is 1 1 onto bijective, right? Good. Right sir. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1. Then f is dash function. See, composite function related na, I'll teach again. That day I told you, what I just skipped it and I went to composite function. So now today that's why I came back and I'm explaining these all. 1 1 onto, bijective, inverse, then I will come back to again composite. I will explain more questions in composite. Composite not over. I just explain only basic, very small basic. उसमें बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं, जेई में बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसके ऊपर, ठीक है. I'll explain that. Don't think that I not explain. Okay. Now see this one. F 0 to 3 closed to 1 to 29 defined by f of x is equal to this. Then f is which function? So first we have to check 1 1. So f dash of x I can do it. F dash of x is equal to what I'll get here? 6x square minus 30x plus 36 I can write. Correct? 6x square minus 30x plus 36. Okay, f dash of x. F dash of x is I got this one. Now I have to see the domain. What is the domain I have? Domain is what here? Tell me fast. 0 to 3. Okay. Here. See here f dash of x. Iska you have to find it. So 6x square minus 30x plus 36. 0 लेके करो ना. Factors है तो 0 only ना. Factors means. So divide by 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What are the factors for this? X equal to 3 comma 2. So you are getting x is equal to 3 comma 2. So it means the graph will be what happens. That this function is 1 1 or not. Here is minus, here is plus. So f dash of x, what happening here? F dash of x will be greater than 0 where 3 to infinity, 3 to infinity है ना. Next tell me फटाफट f dash of x, जल बोलो सर. f dash of x less than 0 where to where? 2 to 3. F dash of x greater than 0, another place where to where? Minus infinity to 2, minus infinity to 2. So you can write na minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity. F dash of x is greater than 0, increasing function. 2 to 3, it is a decreasing function. What is our domain? What is our domain? अरे 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 में क्या हो रहा है? Increasing or decreasing or both? Question clear? Not understood? अरे f dash of x इधर आया ना, f dash of x greater than 0 where to where? Minus infinity to 2, 3 to infinity, correct. F dash of x less than 0 where to where? 2 to 3, correct. Now tell me 0 to 3 what happening? See here minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity is increasing, right. तो 0 to 2 तक क्या होगा? Increasing ना. 2 to 3 in this interval decreasing, increasing and decreasing. So is it a one function or not? No, it is not one function. It is not given domain also. It happened, suppose R is given, so it is very easy to tell. If they given R, this one, see carefully understand this. If they given R, you can say that directly only here increasing decreasing happened. Two roots came means increasing decreasing happens, so there is, it's not a one function. Okay, but f of 0 I substitute. What is f of 0 value? 1. So f of 0 is 1. See, because this is the lowest value, so f of 0 is 1. I got this here 1. Okay. Now next what I have to do is see here 1 I got, f of 0 is 1, so this point is okay. And let us see 3 also, f of 3. What is f of 3 value? Substitute there. F of 3, tell me fast. When I have done f dash of x, see here, when I have done f dash of x, this function I done, I got what the equation I got? Tell me fast, tell me. F dash of x, how much got? 6x square minus 30x plus 36. This is I got. And I got the factors. What are the factors I got? 2, 3. So here 2 and 3, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, means, see at this 2, when it is comes here 2, the function started down, coming 2 to 3, it is coming down, again going up. So our domain is 0 to 3. Our domain is where to where? 0 to 3. So how many critical points are there in 0 to 3? One critical point is there. So you have to find that critical point also. See here, a function will become maxima or minima at their critical points. So at that critical point, this will become maxima or minima. So here the critical points are, actually domain is 0 to 3. And f dash of x I got 2, 3 are the factors. So there f dash of x critical points will get maxima, minima. Okay. So here f of 0 I got is 1. So 2 also I have to check. 0, 2, 3 I have to check. Now tell me 2. What is 2? 2 will get what? So 0 why I checked? 0 I checked because here is the domain is 0. Interval is 0. So f of 0 I got is 0. Oh sorry, f of 0 I got 1. 1 is the answer. F of 2 I also check. F of 2 you check it. What is f of 2 value? 29 you will get. Right? 29 you will get. F of 2 you will get 29. And then f of 3 what you are getting? F of 3 you check it. F of 3 you get 28. Suppose it is a 28 number. So f of 3 is 28. So what happened here? The function was coming here like this. But I need from 1. I go here, this function here. At this point, at 2, it goes up and comes down. That's why it is increasing in this interval. When it is there, that point is minus infinity to 2. Minus infinity to 2, it was increasing. At the 2 it is reached and 2 to 3 it was decreasing. You see there the graph we have done in the previous, and 3 to infinity again it was increasing. So graph is going like this, like this, like this. But here the range I need to know. Range where to where I need to know? 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 on y-axis, reflection of this on y-axis. What is the answer? 1 to 29. So what is the codomain here? Codomain is 1 to 29. Now the reflection is the range. What is the range here? 1 to 29. Means range is equal to what? Codomain. Range is equal to codomain which function? Onto function. So this function is which function? Onto function, but not 1 1, na? Right? See question, f r tends to r defined by f of x is equal to 2x square minus x plus 5 by sin x square plus 2x plus 10. This function is 1 1 or not 1 1? Fast. आपको पूछना क्या सर इतना क्यों कर रहे हैं सर आप लोग? राइट, इट इज़ नॉट ए 1 1 फंक्शन. ओके, क्लियर क्लिस्टर. इसको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज इज अ स्क्वायर यू हैव ना. स्क्वायर यू हैव, square you have natural to natural, then 1 1 is possible, right? If it is z to z, r to r, 1 1 never going to possible. So ये 1 1 नहीं है, इसको करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. समझ में आया? 1 1 कंडीशन क्या होता है? f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that you want to take it, you get it, but no need because it's not a 1 1. You will not get that. And one more graph, quadratic by quadratic graph कोई नहीं करते, चलो उसका नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट और डिफरेंशिएशन. डिफरेंशिएशन यू कैन डू, दैट इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. सो नो नीड टू डू द सच थिंग्स. इफ यू हैव अ क्वाड्रेटिक बाय क्वाड्रेटिक, इट इज नॉट अ 1 1 फंक्शन. क्लिस्टर क्लियर, राइट? ओके, नाउ 1 1 इज नॉट देयर. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू चेक हियर? onto or into. So onto rule is what is the onto rule? Codomain is equal to range. So codomain range कब होगा? What, when we will get codomain is equal to range? Tell. Arey, you have to find the range of this function. Quadratic by quadratic range you have learned. Quadratic by quadratic range you learn. Find the range now. Now y is equal to what you take here? Y is equal to 2x square minus x plus 5 upon 7x square plus 2x plus 10. Do cross multiplication. 7yx square plus 2yx plus 10 is equal to 2x square minus x plus 5. You can take in x square. So 7y minus 2y into x square plus 2y plus 1 into x, 10 minus 5, that is plus 5 is equal to 0. Right? Now what I have to do, tell me? Fatafat, listen here. Now I got here quadratic in x. X is what here there? On the question x is what? Domain. Domain is where to where? Real. When it is real, then what I have to apply? If x is real, what I have to apply? D greater than 0 I have to apply. So apply d greater than 0 here. D greater than 0, greater than r equal to 0. Greater than r equal to 0, sir. So greater than r, b square 2y plus 1 whole square, b square minus 4ac. So 10y minus 5. Okay, so b square minus 4ac, that is 10y minus 5 is greater than r equal to 0. Apply, you get the y value. Come on, solve it. You will get the range and check the domain. If the domain and range is same, then onto function. If not, then into function. Come on, do it. Either in this is 7y minus 2 plus 2, send this side minus 2. 7y minus 2. Tell me fatapat. First simplify this, tell me fast. Shortcut technique. If you are doing these many things, you are getting big numbers, right? Shortcut is simple. This is a quadratic, right? quadratic leading coefficient greater than 0, a greater than 0, apply d, substitute d less than 0, a greater than 0, d less than 0. See d, find it, what you get here, d is equal to what, b square, b square means 1 minus 4ac, d less than 0. So this is positive, numerator is positive. If a greater than 0, d less than 0, then numerator is positive. And here a greater than 0, d less than 0, denominator is positive. Positive by positive, what you will get answer? Positive. So the result will be what? Positive. Means range should be positive, that is 0 to infinity. Okay, 0 open. So actually here is what, that codomain is what? Real, but range is what? Positive. So we can say it is not a onto function, it is into function. Shortcut. Still you want to do this method, you have to find quadratic equation, from that y value find out, find the range of that one. Okay. Find the factors on the, like how you have to do your baby curve method. You find two factors, but you get in rational, irrational, whatever it may be, you write on the number line, then you get the result. You can see plus, minus infinity also involves in that. Minus infinity will not get, I think. You just check it out. F of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to, if f of x is equals to, let us take here, f of x is equal to 4a minus 7x cube plus 3a minus 9x square plus 3x plus 2 is 1 function, find the range of a is the question mark. Okay, how to find such questions here? We take f of x, and you know 1 function condition is what? F dash of x you have to find. So f dash of x, either you take greater than 0, either you take less than 0. So it will be 1 function. So what do you do here? F dash of x I'll find. What is f dash of x here now, tell me? F dash of x will be what? Tell me fatafat. 3, tell me fast. 3 into 4a minus 7 into x square plus 2 into 3a minus 9 plus 3 na x plus 3. Okay, so I have to take, if it is a 1 function, it should be it depends on the option. Either I can go for f dash of x greater than 0 or less than 0. So if f dash of x greater than 0 if I take, so f dash of x greater than 0 if I take, f dash of x greater than 0. So if I take f dash of x greater than 0 means 3 into, see if I multiply this, 12a minus 21 into x square plus 6a minus 18 into x plus 3 greater than 0 I have to take. Right? If I take greater than 0, now quadratic greater than 0 when happens? Quadratic greater than 0 when happens? Are here quadratic hai na, quadratic greater than 0. This is greater than 0 condition. A greater than 0, d less than 0. A greater than 0 means what? This will be greater than 0. 12a minus 21 greater than 0. A greater than 21 by 12. Right, a greater than how much I get? 7 by 4. So we need to see the options. According to the options we have to go. So here I got a greater than 7 by 4. Now what I can do next? One more thing. Tell me fatafat. D less than 0 na? D less than 0 means what I can write here? 6a minus 8 b square minus 4ac. C is what here? 3. That is less than 0 I have to apply. From this I will get a value. These both I do intersection. So I will get the final answer. Understood what I said? Understood? Yes. Come on, do it. So here you will get here a minus 2 into a minus 8 less than 0. Correct? right? Then you can draw the graph here. Here, then 2, here 8, here plus, minus, plus. So A belongs to where to where? 2 comma 8 is the answer. A belongs to 2 comma 8. But you see here A greater than 7 by 4 value is how much? 7 by 4, 7 by 4. 7 by 4. 1.75. So answer is 2 comma 8. So the answer is A 2 comma 8 is the answer. A belongs to 2 comma 8 because both intersection will be this. क्या हुआ? 1 point infinity, 1 point something to infinity, here 2 to 8. So intersection is what? 2 to 8. Right? Answer is the range of A is 2 to 8. An important question, make it start. You can use f dash of x greater than 0 or less than 0. Anyone can use it. Of the previous question, you have learned 1 1. 1 1 you have learned. Now this question is saying f r to r f of x is equal to alpha x square plus 6x minus 8 upon alpha plus 6 alpha 6x minus 8x square. If f is onto function, find the real values of alpha. Okay, you can do it this. I told now what is onto function condition? Range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain, you apply, you will get it. Right now? Understood? Tomorrow we will start bijective function. And I see here, in previous lecture, I have continued that 1 1 onto function, related some questions. So, this question will you do homework? Sure? Confirm? So, then I will start tomorrow bijective function and inverse function.